Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to explain George Polya's four-step in problem solving gamit ang example ng Fibonacci sequence. Step 1. Understand the problem. Ang problem natin ay find the first seven term of the Fibonacci sequence. Ang Fibonacci sequence ay isang pattern ng numbers, kung saan bawat term ay galing sa sum ng dalawang naunang. Usually, nagsisimula ito sa 0 at 1. Step 2. Devise a plan. So para ma-solve ito, we will start with the first two term, 0 and 1. Then, paulit-ulit natin i-add ang last two numbers to get the next term hanggang makompleto natin yung 7 terms. 3. Carry out the plan. Sige, gawin natin step by step. So, ito yung first 7 term natin. Susulat ko. For look back. Double check natin bawat number after the first two ay sum ng two numbers before it. Tama nga, sakto yung pattern. Conclusion, na-solve natin ang problem by following Polya's 4 steps. Una, understand the problem. Pangalawa, devising a plan. Pangatlo, carry out the plan. And pang-apat, look back. Very useful ang method na ito, hindi lang sa math, kundi pati sa daily life. Thank you.